This is Tom Ames at 5831 Dogwood Court Northwest. Just pointing out a few things that might need to be done to our townhouse, or things that we think we might have to do. Taking a look at this window up here, our bedroom window, notice it appears that the window isn't flush with the house. So that's one thing. Going inside here, we've had a little bit of a moisture problem. We're planning on this winter finishing the basement to our townhouse, but it's this corner where we've had some moisture in the block, never to the point that water accumulated on the floor, but nevertheless you can see it has discolored the block, and it appeared to be quite wet. So we think there's water coming in here somehow, causing a problem, and we don't want to put drywall against that and have that moisture accumulate. And here comes the moisture. I don't know if you could hear that thunder or not. This is another corner where we've had some problem with moisture. We noticed it in that corner in the spring when we moved in. Again, some discoloration, not as bad as the first corner I showed you, but a concern nevertheless. We want drywall on this corner also. Going outside, if it's not raining too much, I want to point out that we do have a couple of concerns. It's raining pretty good now. One being these supports. You notice the cracks fairly good. We're not experts or engineers regarding this. This one has the largest cracks in it. Supports our deck, bird nest up there. And then also a concern along the side of the house here. I don't know if the weed whacking, they're knocking that material loose. Take a look at the edging here. Appears to be some problem all along here. Going up here to take a look at where we think the water may be coming in and causing problems in that corner, right down here, this corner. It appears that water could accumulate underneath the concrete, and we have some concern that that would freeze into winter when the snow melts. We have had some really positive things happen. One happening to be that the water now is draining further away from the house because they've added a few extra feet here. And the other one I should comment on and want to thank those responsible. The drainage here, well done. It is now draining out further down. It's reduced the erosion in our backyard, so we really appreciate the attention and time that people put into getting that changed. Going back here again to the area of concern, we're not sure all that's under there, but do think that that sidewalk might be setting under an area that if you had a really heavy rain, you could accumulate a lot of water. And then going over to this side of the townhouse, here we are, the area we share with our neighbors. This is the other corner that took in water, and we're not exactly sure what the problem is and how that water is getting down into that southeast corner. of our basement. Could it be coming from here? Just put this video together to let you know a few concerns that we have. Overall, we're very happy with the townhouse. Thank you.